India reported 53,256 new COVID-19 cases, 78,190 recoveries, and 1,422 deaths during the last 24 hours, according to the Union Health Ministry data. The cases reported in the last 24 hours are the lowest in 88 days. The Union government, in an affidavit in the Supreme Court, said that all the COVID-19 deaths must be certified regardless of where they take place. This comes following media reports about the discrepancy in the total number of COVID-19 deaths. The centre said action would be taken against doctors who don't comply with the rules. Free COVID-19 vaccination to all the people above 18 years began from today under centralised free COVID-19 vaccine policy. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had earlier announced that the Union government would take over the vaccination drive to vaccinate everyone above 18 years old. Andhra Pradesh has set a record by vaccinating over 13 lakh people in a day on Sunday. As many as 13.45 lakh COVID-19 vaccines were administered across the state in a special drive. A statement from the state government said that over 1 crore people in the state have received their first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the nation on the occasion of International Yoga Day and said that yoga is a ray of hope during a pandemic. He announced the launch of the M-Yoga app in collaboration with the World Health Organization. The app, which will have yoga training videos in different languages for people across the world. Over 3,000 people performed yoga at the iconic Times Square, New York on the occasion of International Yoga Day. The Consulate General of India, New York, in partnership with Times Square Alliance, hosted the 7th International Day of Yoga celebrations. Social distancing guidelines were followed as the city opened up following the COVID-19 pandemic. 3 terrorists, including top Lashkar terrorist Mudassir Pandit, were killed in an encounter by security forces in North Kashmir's Sopore village. Kashmir IGP Vijay Kumar said that Mudassir Pandit was involved in the killing of 3 policemen, 2 councillors, and 2 civilians. Tokyo Olympics organizers and Japanese officials will meet Monday to decide whether spectators will be allowed at the pandemic-postponed Olympic Games. Preparations for the Games are already underway, and the opening ceremony of the Olympics will be held on July 23rd. Overseas spectators have already been banned. An advisor has told Apple Daily founder Jimmy Lai that the newspaper will be forced to shut down within days, according to a Reuters report. This comes after authorities froze the company's assets under national security law and arrested 4 directors and the editor of the newspaper.